In this short video, I'm going to walk you through how to exit a credit spread trade on the Robinhood platform. This is going to work on both the browser and mobile app platform. So if we come here, you can see if you have a current credit spread trade open, you will see that on your dashboard. You can visit the dashboard by clicking on the logo and seeing the dashboard and seeing what all is going on with your portfolio, and also here in your positions section, where if you have stock, it'll show stock first and then typically options later. You have options right here. You can see I have a TLC 102-101 put spread, put credit spread on right here. Let's say I want to close this. I'm going to click on this trade. This trade is going to show me what my return is, what my credit is, what the market value is, and what happened when I bought it. You can see here the expiration date is 4/28. I own two put credit spreads, my break-even price where I'm going to make money until it hits this price, and then I have my average credit. What did I sell this credit spread for versus what is it trading at now, which you can see right here is going to be your max cost, or right here as well, 0.14. So I bought it at 0.17, currently trading at 0.14. So I've made 3 cents per spread and I have 2 spreads. So that's how I get this $6 here. Anyways, how do I exit this trade? Well, now since I'm on this, all I need to do is click on here and click on either open, which it already is, but by default, I want to close this trade. So I simply just click close. I put in the number of contracts that I want to get rid of. So I have 2 contracts, so let's say 2. The price I want to sell it at, it's currently trading at 1.4, so we'll just do 0.14 as well. And then we can say how long we want this trade to be on for, good till cancel or good for the day. And then I simply click review and exit the trade. That's how simple this is to exit. Now, if you want to exit individually, you can click into the individual option and then sell that as it is. But again, it's very hard to sell something by itself when you have them wrapped together in a credit spread, because you don't want to have just be left with a single sell option. Robinhood, as this example, won't let you do that. So Robinhood is super easy to close the position. You just go to the position, just one recap, you click on where you want to sell it at, and done. You have sold your position, given you gave a fair price. So anyways, guys, that is how you sell your credit spread position on Robinhood. It's very simple, nothing too complex to it, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer as many as I can. See you in the next video.